Hey, looking to make some extra cash or earn gift cards effortlessly? In this video, we introduce you to a free paid surveys app that can turn your spare time into real rewards. Don't miss out on this opportunity to monetize your free time. Watch now and start earning today. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on future videos about making money online. And let me know in the comments where you're watching from, so I can make videos that fit your country. So if you're looking for a super easy way to make extra cash or grab some gift cards in your free time, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I make money online with ZoomBucks. No experience needed. ZoomBucks is a free GPT site and app where you can earn real money or awesome gift cards just by sharing your opinion. It works globally, which is great because you can literally earn from almost anywhere. Here's how it works. First, sign up for free. No fees, no catch. Once you're in, you'll see a list of paid surveys. These are super straightforward. Just answer questions honestly, and you'll start racking up points for every survey you finish. But that's not all. If you ever get bored of surveys, you can also make money just by watching videos. Seriously, you get paid to watch short clips. It's that simple. There are also online offers and offer walls. These are tasks like signing up for free trials, downloading apps, or checking out new products. Quick and easy ways to boost your earnings. And if you want to take it a step further, you can even invite friends. Every time someone joins through your link, you get a little bonus. So, if you've got a big social circle or some followers online, that's another way to earn passively. Now, let's talk about getting paid, because that's the best part. Once you've got enough points, you can cash out in tons of different ways. There are digital and physical prepaid cards, gift cards to your favorite stores, PayPal, Venmo, instant debit transfers, and even bank transfers. Payments are usually processed within 24 to 48 hours, so no waiting forever to see your rewards. Honestly, if you're looking for a legit side hustle that fits around your schedule, ZoomBucks is one of the easiest ways to get started. No skills, no investment, just your time and your opinion. Have you tried ZoomBucks or any other paid survey sites? Drop your experience in the comments. I love reading your stories and tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.